Today I'm gonna take you on a room tour at the HHE Express Hotel in Nuuk Room. In the lobby you'll find the reception, of course, and you'll also find a small cafe and some breakfast buffet in the morning. The HHE Express is located within walking distance of downtown Nuuk. There's some restaurants nearby, but you need a taxi to go from the airport to the hotel. So let's find our room and have a look at the room. The rooms at HHE Express is relatively small, but they have whatever you need. There's a little desk where you can work, there's a TV, and there is a bed, of course, actually in double bed. The view from my room was out to the old cemetery. Looked throughout the night, there was no ghosts. You got a little chair, you got very little place for your luggage. You of course have a bathroom. In the bathroom you'll find a shower, no tub but only a shower, but there are nice tiles all over. It's a relatively new hotel, so it's actually pretty nice. You also have a little place where you can set your luggage. You can take it out or in. It takes up a little bit of the room, so I didn't use it, but it's there if you want it. At the under the bed, you got a little drawer. In that drawer you'll find an extra pillow, or you can use that drawer for whatever you like. At the dish there is there's some power. There's also power by the bed, and you also have USB at the workspace. The TV has normal Danish channels and of course some Greenland channel. There's a mirror where you can see yourself, ready for your expedition. And at the toilet, of course, you'll find soap, you'll find the hair dryer and all the normal things. Of course, the little outlet to your shaving machine, and also some soap in the shower. From the hotel, it's an easy walk down to the old part of Nuuk. There's also very easy walk to downtown. And you can actually reach most of Nuuk by walking from the hotel. Here we're at the HHE statue, down by the old church and old harbor. That's also where Nuuk taxi is taking off from if you have some tours. At the summertime, the wintertime, they have another place to. Well, thank you for following me to Nuuk at the HHE Express Hotel. Hope you enjoyed the views. Please subscribe, like, and you know the drill, and see some of the other videos primarily from the United States.